Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to delete all system restore points on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to delete all system restore points on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you a simple method how to do this. Click on this search menu, then type here advanced system settings. Here you will find view advanced system setting. Click on this, then click on system protection. Here you will find configure restore settings, manage disk space and delete restore points. You have to just click on configure. Here you will find delete all restore points for this drive. Click on delete and click on continue. After clicking continue, all your restore points will be deleted. That's it guys. So in this way you can delete your system restore points on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.